Hey everyone, today we're going to be looking at this corner shelf shower caddy that requires no drilling and is upheld by suction cups. If you take a look at this in your box, you'll receive this package with a plastic layer over the suction cups. You'll just have to remove them, and if you flip this, you'll see that there are 3 different prongs that you can set your suction cups to for any adjustment that you want. Now, the suction cup also is slightly larger than many other suction cups available, and it's really great because it does seem quite durable, made of plastic, but individually these hold 11 pounds each. So to attach this to the corner caddy, you just have to align it here and press it in and press it up so that there's a little snap. We're going to do the same thing to the other side. Make sure there is a snap. And that sounded great. Now, to attach this and install against the wall of your shower, it's helpful to use the grout lines as your guide to level this. Additionally, we want to make sure that the suction caddies are also level so that they can stick on to the wall. And it's very simple. You just lightly have the suction cup touch the wall and press for that to stick onto the wall. We're going to do the same thing here. Just press and it should be secure. Now, in terms of surfaces that this can stick to, this works best with non-porous smooth surfaces like glass, mirror, polished metal, stainless steel, plastic board, wall tile, and grainy granite. To note, this does not stick to surfaces with wood, unfinished marble, porcelain, wallpaper, natural stones, and painted wall. Also, it's important before installing that the surface is completely dry, along with the sticky suction area that is going to stick to the wall. That should be completely dry. Now we're going to show how much this caddy can hold, a capacity of 22 pounds. So this is a large size 32.1 fluid ounce shampoo. This is a 33 fluid ounce body wash. Each of these weigh about 2.5 pounds. Then we're going to add more shampoo and facial cleanser, another 1.5 pounds for shampoo. And as you can see, there is more room here to fill this completely up. If you look over, there is self-draining holes, which makes this really great if water gets through. It just comes right out so you don't have water building up. Additionally, there are these grooves here that are really nice where you can hang things like this brush, a hair tie, a pumice stone. It's well designed and very durable. And if you want to adjust the height of this, you just remove these and reset them. So Let's go ahead and show you how to uninstall this caddy shelf. It's important to remove the different items that you have in the shelf so that they don't fall on you. And there are many videos that show you how to install this, but we want to give you a close-up of how to actually uninstall this. It's recommended that you use a credit card or a plastic card. This is just a hotel room key. And what you want to do is slide this card in between the suction area and the wall. Do not use your hands or fingers because this is very strong and you may end up hurting yourself. You just slip it right through and it easily slides off. And you do the same thing here. So this is really great in terms of its function and capacity, and stays up for months and sometimes even years. It's worked really well for me personally. It also has a lot more strength to keep things up. Again, you can adjust below or higher to reach at your convenient level. And this caddy comes in different models as well. There are rectangular shaped versions. There is a soap holder, all with similar suction holders, which I can link below. So far, it's worked really well, and I have two myself. If you want to know more, have any questions, please let us know. Thanks for watching.